All right, guys, let's do these nails. So today I am applying the BT Artbox X Coat Tips. This set comes with 5 different designs. So we're going to pick one. All of them are really cute, but we're going to pick one and do it today. So first, I am going to clean up and push back my cuticles with cuticle remover. I do not clip my cuticles because unfortunately for me, if I try, it will, my skin will peel. So here I am picking out my sizes for the nail, and then I am going to just buff the nail a little bit and then apply a dehydrator. And then I'm going to go in with a primer on each nail after you dehydrate. So this is the primer that I use right here. So you're going to use a primer on each nail as well. Do not skip these 2 steps. This is how you get your nails to last long. We're using the BT Artbox gel glue. You're going to apply it directly to the nail, and then you're going to apply the nail in a 45-degree angle to your nail, and then put it under the UV lamp for about 30 seconds. So I'm doing that with every single nail, 45-degree angle, and then putting it under the lamp for 30 seconds. So then when I do all of that, I am putting a little sunscreen on my hands because I couldn't find my my gloves this day. So I'm putting sunscreen on, then I'm going to put my hands under the UV lamp for about 90 seconds. Then here we are filing the edge of the nails because it still had the little tip from the attachment. So you're filing the edge of the nails to make sure that everything is nice and clean and you're good to go. Then after that, I'm going to clean it off with a little alcohol just to make sure that the surface is clean before I go in with a gel builder. So the gel builder, the whole purpose of the gel builder, which you'll see, I'm using the Beetles gel builder, but I think next time I'm going to get the BT Artbox gel builder. But the purpose of the gel builder is to seal the nail so that the polish that's already on the nail won't chip. So you're going to put that on every single nail, and then you are going to go under the lamp for, I think I did 60 to 90 seconds. Sometimes I'll do a little longer, but 60 to 90 seconds, let that seal, and then go back in with rubbing alcohol again, just to clean off the surface because it'll be sticky if you don't. To clean off the surface and then prep it for your top coat. So this top coat that I'm using is a stain resistant top coat. I used it all the time when I had blue hair and my nails would not stain. This is like the best ever. So I still use it now just to make sure that my nails don't stain when I'm doing different things. You're going to do 1 top coat of that, and then you're going to go back under the dryer, the UV lamp again for 60 to 90 seconds and let that seal. So yeah, then after that, rubbing alcohol again, just because the surface will be sticky on this as well. Clean that off, and then I'm going in with my oil to seal the cuticles, to moisturize the cuticles, and that's it, guys. I've been doing my nails for a few years now. Then I transitioned to gel because I really like it better than acrylic. And this is what I do, honey. I love it. It saves time and money when it comes to my schedule. So I hope you like this video. This is Gel X at home. Bye.